How to post WeChat moment. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can post WeChat moments, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the WeChat application on your smartphone, and then once you've done that, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see options like chat, contacts, discover me. Just click on contacts. So after clicking on contacts, on the contacts page, you would see options like new friends, group chat, tags, official contacts, then official accounts, sorry, and then your name. So as you can see this, just click on it in order to view your profile. So on your profiles page, you can see the option moments, right? That is where we are heading to. Just click on moments. And then on the moments page, you can see your cover picture or the icon for it to change your cover picture. Then you can see your profile picture as well. So the next thing for you to do is to tap the camera icon to create a new moment. So you can take a picture or a photo to capture a moment. You can select photos or video from your gallery, or you can just long press on the camera icon to create a text post. You can do any one that you want. So to create a text post, all I need to do is to long press the camera icon this way. Let's do that again. And then you can see the option displayed there, which is take a photo or a video, then choose from album, and just click on OK. And then you can now decide to choose all the photo from your album, and then click on done. And then once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page, the next thing now is to now type out the text that you would like to um add to your post. So I can just type something like happy day, for example. And then to add location, you can do that. You can mention your friends. You can edit it, all right. If you don't want it to be visible to the public, you can change it if you want. You can decide who you want to share it with or not. And then move to the top right corner and click on post. And that particular moment would be posted just like that. Yeah, just like that. So this is how you can post moments on WeChat. Thanks for watching and have a good day.